Well, howdy, y'all. It's January 1st, 2023 in Dallas, more specifically Plano, Texas. It is currently 66 degrees outside, and it's a beautiful day to get out into some nature. You know, if you do an online search, nature plus mental health, you're going to find a lot of studies that suggest that's probably one of the best things you can do for your mental health is get out in nature. And I have learned that for myself, and I bet you could too if you decided to make that a priority. It's currently, it's 65, 66 degrees. It's mostly sunny. It's a nice day here in Texas, and the forecast high is about 70 today. So happy New Year. So we're going to Oak Point Park today, and it's technically considered the second best trail in Plano, and I'm going there because it's closer to where I'm at. And actually it has more off the path nature trails, like dirt trails, and it follows a creek. Honestly, I actually prefer it just slightly, over the other number one park in Plano, which is Arbor Hills. It's on the other side of town. So, east side, it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good hike. Why don't you come along? Let's do this. Not the only one here. Well, it's not that busy. Got some kids on some bikes, families. Nice lady walking her dog. This is also where they host the Plano Balloon Festival that happens every fall. Scooters are back, e-scooters. Even if, maybe you've got some health problems or whatever, don't let that be an excuse. Nature is the way. And there's an e-scooter right there. You can get on that, and there's plenty of paved trails here at the park. You can get on. They also have free Wi-Fi, which is kind of cool. Maybe I'll stream one. Not today, but soon. Springtime's a good time to stream. I'm gonna do the Rowlett Creek Trail today. Usually they'll have intermingling trails that head off in different directions. Truth is, if you stay consistently and always head either always to the right or always to the left, they're usually a circle, and you'll end up back in the same place. Here's where the creek starts. That limb looks walkable. Let's try it. Myself walking out on this tree. Seems interesting, huh? Yeah. Yes. Yes, I did. And then I pulled the camera back out and preserved it. You know, I read somewhere you should do something that scares you every day. That's how you keep your brain healthy.
You're in my spot.
Yeah. Yeah. You come on out. I just noticed these guys watching me like, what's this idiot up to? Now I gotta figure out how to turn around and go back down. Yep, I'm back safe and sound. Of all the places you could be resting. Look at that, that's pretty nifty. Water hose. Help you get out of there. Check it out. We're going down one-handed. We'll figure out how to get back out. One-handed. Probably not one-handed. It's nice. Much easier and worth it. Can someone explain to me just exactly how that happened? Now that looks a little muddy, but there's that little knoll up there. I don't know, let's see. That's what I was worried about right here. That's probably not worth it. Coons come through here. You see them, raccoon prints. Barely. Yeah, that's always the risk you take. It all comes off though. Alright, so it's... What are we gonna do here? I could either stick this down in my belt, because I need two hands. I could either stick this in my belt or stick it in my shirt. Let's try the shirt. That's too low. Betcha. I'll be honest with you, I think I can make it. I'll probably give it a try, but I can't do it with camera on. Won't do it with camera on. Alright, we'll see what happens. Oh, it seems like this thing kind of works pretty good. Stuck in my shirt. I can't look at it though, so I don't know what the composition is and what you're seeing, but I'm about to sit down here on this limb over the water. To be honest, I'm a little worried about that split right there. That's not worth it. That was fun though. Red Hawk Amphitheater. One of the interesting features at this park is this ropes and zip line course. I think it's operated by a company called Go Ape. I've never done it. It does look like fun. I've watched other people do it. There's the zip line that goes out across the creek, and I don't know, easily 100 yards, maybe more, over the top of the creek. That's it. It looks like fun, huh? And there's lots of these up and down. Hey, there's another one right across the creek on the other side. Oh, there's a zip line that goes that way. Be like a flower and turn your face to the sun. 12/28/1960. Came in on the west side. This is the east side. That's where the Go Ape is right over there. They got like an event center here. There's a bridge here, and there's a lot more trail that goes off that way. And then there's another trail that goes off that way. And then obviously another trail that goes off that way. That's mostly paved. It takes you across the lake and back to the parking lot. That's where I'm headed. I have a hunch that this one's probably the most fun. Essentially, I'm just following the creek down the other side. it's a beautiful day for a walk in the park. Now I'm hungry. Get something to eat. See if I can turn this around and show it to you. Hope you'll have a happy new year. 2023. Probably shit. What is that? Probably shit, maybe good. Maybe shit, maybe good. I don't know. It's mean. Look it up. You know what I'm doing?